What's up, y'all? It's your boy Action Jack, and I'm back with another video. Today, got a couple unboxings. Y'all know I'm a little picky when it comes to unboxing, but I really like these. I'm putting these on display out of box, so this is what we got for today. We got the Venomized Black Panther, and we got the Anti-Venom Box Lunch Glow in the Dark edition. So let's get to it. Y'all gotta bear with me while I get this get these boxes open. Boxes, I should say. Like I told y'all before, I open mine from the bottom. Use a little blade, and that helps you get them out without folding and bending them all up. Oh, I guess I could show you guys a box first. Box art. And this one's a GameStop exclusive. I think I have now completed the Venom collection. There's a side there, and the back is number 370. You got the regular Venom, Captain America. You got the Iron Man, Carnage, and the Hulk. And of course, I'll show you guys my whole collection here coming up soon, but we'll get to that in the later video. I actually got this one a little discounted. It was a damaged box, just a little damage on the edge there, but it didn't really make a big difference to me because, like I said, I'm putting that on display out of box. So, and here's a close-up. A lot of people think it looks like a female. Don't know if I agree. It does look a little feminine. Something about it. The red lips doesn't do it a lot of justice, but that's what we got. And all the Marvels are bobbleheads. Of course, this is a Marvel character. But let's see if it stands. I guess you guys won't be able to see that, but it stands fine. You might think that tail, yeah, it doesn't actually reach the bottom. In previous videos, I thought that might actually help it stand up as well, but you got the bones coming out around the neck, claws, bones around the wrists, as we talked about before, tail, and that's your another little detail I like that a lot of people don't really cover is it looks like glosses on the tongue, so the tongue does shine, which is pretty cool. But I won't hold y'all too long. I'm going to get to the next one. Box art. Number 100, Anti-Venom. He's actually not from that set. That Venomized set. But another cool Venom-themed pop. And that's the back. Anti-Venom. You got Carnage. And you got regular Venom. And he's still in box. Like I said, it's a box lunch exclusive here. Get this one opened up for you guys. I'm not really too worried about being too careful with these boxes because I really don't care about the boxes too much on these. These are going out of box. And here we go. Tongue very similar to the Venomized Black Panther. And he's almost like a hard plastic this time. I don't know what that's all about. I did get this off eBay. Hopefully it's not fake. It's got all the stamps on the bottom. Is that 2015? I didn't realize this came out in 2015. That's pretty cool. If you get close up on the teeth, you can actually see the tongue and the mouth, which is pretty cool. A lot of cool, nice details. A little wrinkle on the forehead there. But I'm going to put it in the light here and turn it off and see what it does. See if it gets any glow to it. You guys can't catch it. Maybe you can see a little green tint, but I did see it. Worth a shot. But that's what we got for today. We got Anti-Venom, and we got the Venomized Black Panther. Boom, boom, boom. That's all we got for today. Thanks again. Like, share, subscribe. Follow me on my YouTube journey. Thanks.